Hey everyone! If your WASD keys are not working in Roblox, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several easy fixes to solve the problem. Let's get started. First, while you're inside Roblox, press ESC on your keyboard. Go to Settings. Now make sure of the following. Shift lock switch is turned off. Under Movement Mode, select Default, Keyboard. Make sure your settings look exactly like that, then test your game and see if it works. If that didn't fix it, close Roblox completely. Open it again, launch your game, and test the WASD keys. Sometimes a simple restart fixes the issue. If it's still not working, try using a different keyboard if you have one. Test the WASD keys in another game. This helps you check if the problem is with Roblox or your keyboard itself. If nothing worked, go to Search, type Add or Remove Programs. Open it, scroll down until you find Roblox. Click the three dots. Select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstall. Once it's removed, reinstall Roblox again. You can download it from the Microsoft Store or the official Roblox website. After reinstalling, launch the game and test your movement keys. One of these solutions should fix your WASD problem. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.